It's the morning weather briefing video. This is for Thursday, the 26th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather mostly dry today. Temperatures stay below average. The next chance of rain will be late in the weekend, and the weather next week looking a bit unsettled. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. Got broad troughing over the eastern states. That pulled down that colder air yesterday. Temperatures went the wrong way. We started the day in the middle 50s and 60s. We dropped all day long. And we'll see highs in the 40s over the northern half of the state today. Now, early this morning, if you look really carefully, there's one little echo on radar that's southwest of Birmingham. And there could be a few sprinkles or flurries early this morning, but much of the day will likely be dry. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the 30s for the northern counties of the state. These numbers have really not changed much over the last 6 hours because of clouds. Birmingham at 38. We've got 30s to the south. Montgomery 37. Mobile 39. They are clear. In Dothan at 40. And again, we're expecting highs today in the 40s for the northern counties of the state, 50s for South Alabama. Let's check the watch warning map. A fairly quiet day. The big winter storm in New England is winding down. Got some wind issues up north, and winter storm watches in effect for parts of Montana and Idaho, but no thunderstorms across the country today. No storms tomorrow. And then Saturday, which is day 3, there could be some thunder west of the state, nothing severe, and that's the system that will bring rain back to Alabama on Sunday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, the wettest weather in the country, right here in the southeast United States. This is the rain valid through Thursday morning of next week. This is suggesting rain amounts for the Tennessee Valley could exceed 3 inches in spots. Parts of central Alabama, rain amounts there between 2 and 3 inches, and then 1 to 2 inches down in southeast Alabama. So let's roll through the model output here. Model fans, this is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. And again, broad troughing over the east, and we're expecting clouds this morning, giving way to a partly sunny afternoon. And the highs today, again, will be in the 40s for North Alabama, 50s for the southern counties of the state. This is tomorrow. We start the day below freezing. Many spots will be in the 20s. The high will be, again, in the 50s for most spots. This is Saturday as the weekend begins, partly sunny with seasonal temperatures. Highs will likely be in the 50s and 60s, so a dry day as the weekend begins. However, on Sunday, the weather goes wet again with the next wave coming in. We're expecting periods of rain on Sunday, and temperatures will likely hold in the 50s much of the day. And again, there could be a rumble of thunder, but we're not expecting any severe storms. So let's go to Monday, and we'll probably have a one-day break in the rain for one day. The sky partly sunny Monday, and high should be in the mid to upper 50s, seasonal. And then Tuesday, the rain is back with a surface front that's going to come in here and stall out, and that's going to keep the weather unsettled through midweek. And it could be fairly mild. We might see a 60 statewide on Tuesday. Wednesday, we're wet, and again with a stalled surface front nearby. Periods of rain likely, maybe some thunder, nothing severe. And a week from today, this is Thursday, the 2nd of February, got troughing off to the west, and we are still wet with a surface low rolling right through the central part of the state. Now, obviously, with that track, it's just going to rain, nothing severe. And note again the chance of snow for parts of Arkansas and areas north of Alabama with that feature next week. So again, for next week, it looks pretty wet. Maybe a break in the rain on Monday, but rain at times for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and probably dry air by the end of the week on Friday. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 4th of February. Troughing coming into Texas, and if this verifies, the day will be dry and seasonal. Check out the rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European Ensemble. This is between now and the 9th of February. The mean is about 3 inches, the green line. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. And again, if you average all the numbers out, right around where we should be for this time of the year. We've got 40s today, 50s for the weekend. We bump up into the 60s Monday and Tuesday. Then we fall back in the 50s for the end of next week. And again, at the moment, we don't see evidence of any Arctic air intruding in here. There's going to be some very cold air to the north over the northern states, but the upper winds just will not allow it to get down in here at this point for the first week of February. But again, I fully expect a couple of good cold shots before winter gets out of here. Winter is far, far from over. This is the latest 8 to 14-day guidance, and you see the idea. Very cold up north. Temperatures way below average, parts of Minnesota, around the Great Lakes, but around here, near average, and Florida above average with this upper high that'll be parked over the Sunshine State. So look up in the light. Sometimes you might see that. A little snow flurry activity going on. This was up in Colbert County in the northwestern corner of the state last night, and some of you might see a few flurries early this morning, but no need to panic, no impact, no accumulation. And while so much of the state was kind of socked in by clouds yesterday, we actually had a gorgeous sunset along the Gulf Coast last night. That was taken down at Destin, and look at that. That's just gorgeous. That was taken at Pensacola Beach. Now, it's awfully cold, but still, that's just gorgeous. And if you were down there, look at that. You would own the beach. And again, the spring break crowds are going to be there before you know it in a heartbeat. So just absolutely gorgeous. So that's it for the morning briefing. Let's see. Today I will be at Pelham Ridge Elementary School in Shelby County. And then tomorrow I'll take the TV shift off. Tomorrow night I'll do the morning briefing here. But we got a family wedding Saturday, which means no book signing this weekend. The next book signing will be Saturday, February 4th. At Huntsville at the Rocket City Weatherfest at UAH. That's for weather weenies. It's going to be great. I'll be speaking. We'll have the book signing. They have all these exhibits, things to do, vehicles. It'll be a lot of fun if you like weather. So that's Saturday, February 4th at UAH in Huntsville, the Rocket City Weatherfest. And the week after that, I'll be speaking up at Ohio State University in Columbus, Ohio. But hey, that's it this morning. We have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching.